Peace fam, Q here, and we are looking at the SCF chain on GitHub. Now, anytime you have a legitimate project, a legitimate open source blockchain project, you should be able to go through their GitHub resources, and you should be able to see all of the data. That's what open source means. Open source means that if I'm a developer and I want to develop an application, I can utilize your open source code and build upon, you know, a second layer upon the code that you already have in place, right? This is the whole premise of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin code, right? It's an open source protocol. So SCF chain is an open source public blockchain, right? Now, I want you to go down here because, you know, people, you know, you may not realize how valuable this project is and can become, right? There's only a handful, 30, 31, 32 public blockchains that are out there. You know, I remember back in 2017 or so when all of these ICO, it was the ICO craze at the time. And all of these projects were promising that they were going to build these blockchains, they was going to do this, they was going to do that, blah, 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 right? Come today, full circle, 2023, there's only, you know, like I said, 30 to 32 public blockchains that actually exist, okay? This is one of them. You have the ability to be a part of this particular project, and you know, right now, you know, we can earn by staking, right? There's so many different projects within this one project that have 8 different ecosystems that will allow you to do a lot of different things. But right now, currently staking 1 to 1.4% a day. So I wanted to go down here and I wanted to share just the README file and what it says about SCF chain, right? Official Golang implementation of the SCF chain protocol. SCF chain is a Byzantine fault-tolerant proof of authority (POA) network operated by validators. Carefully selected trusted validators are predefined at the bootstrap of the network. Later, new validators can be added or old validators can be removed if the decision is approved by the majority of currently active validators. Now, I happen to be one of the node validators because I was in the project before the actual blockchain was actually implemented. So I'm one of the node validators that's actually mining the SCF coin, right? Now, take a listen at this. In the future, SCF chain consensus will be migrated to DPoS to enable complete decentralization, as well as nodes' freedom to join the network as validators or miners. DPoS is a more democratic way of choosing who verifies the next block, allowing a more diverse group of people to participate in the process, since it's based on earned reputation as a lawful staker and not overall wealth. Additionally, because there are a limited number of validators, DPoS allows the network to reach consensus more quickly. The SCF chain starts its development based on Go Ethereum fork. So you may see many toolings, binaries, and also docs are based on Ethereum ones, right? Because the SCF blockchain is EVM, which is compatible or interoperable as an Ethereum-based type platform can plug into other, you know, cross chains and other blockchains, right? So what is all of this saying, right? I mean, if you're really technical and you know coding, then obviously you can go through the entire GitHub. You can see all of the pull requests. You can see all of the upgrades. You can see everything that you need to see because it's open source. But the reason why I wanted to share this and do this video was to share with you that this is a real project. It's a real decentralized project, right? Just like Bitcoin, right? There is no Bitcoin CEO. There is no way that, you know, Bitcoin can be shut down because it's a decentralized project. You literally have to shut down the entire internet to shut down Bitcoin. And if that ever happens, then obviously we have other problems that we need to tend to. Same thing here with SCF chain. SCF chain, once they get on all the parameters in place. See, we're on the very, very beginning of this thing. Just think about if you were on the very, very beginning and you could have been a miner, a node validator for the Bitcoin blockchain, right? You'd be on the beach somewhere sipping pina coladas, enjoying life. We have that same ability here with this project, I believe. Right now we have a solid way to earn every single day, right, with our staking. And let me just show you that here with the staking. So you literally can stake for 7 days, you can stake for 15 days, you can stake for 30 days. What does it mean when I say stake? All staking means is that you're putting up your crypto to support the network. So you're putting up your USDT to support this particular project and this network. You can do a 7-day stake. What that means is, say you put up $10,000, right? And you staked it for 7 days. Well, on that $10,000, you can earn $700 worth of FUSD, which is SCF's stablecoin. This is this project's stablecoin. Just like USDT is a stablecoin, USDC is a stablecoin. All of these coins are stable, meaning they don't fluctuate. They are one-to-one on par with the US dollar. Okay, so in this example, say you put up $10,000, you staked it for 7 days, you can earn $700 every 7 days. Now, if you chose to get paid rewards in the SCF token, which is the native, it's really not a token. A token means it's a token on someone else's blockchain, but because they have their own blockchain, it's technically a coin, right? So you can elect to get paid in their coin, which is SCF. And as you see here, you would be earning, 2.2 SCF coins per day. So if you did a 7-day stake there, that would be 15.4 SCF coins. Now you may say, okay, well, how do I compute that value? Well, right now, let's go here. Let's go back here. All right, so this is the current value of the SCF coin, right? $60 and call it 56 cents. This is a chart here over the last day of the SCF coin. If you looked at the totality of the chart here, you would see it just going up and up and up. So let's look at the last week. So you can see the week, it's just going up. Why is the number just going up? Why is the value of the coin going to increase? Well, because of the staking, right? Because people are locking up their FUSD, they're locking up their SCF, right? They're locking up their crypto to earn on a daily basis. And when that crypto is locked up, it's not being moved, it's not being traded. That raises the value of the coin. So let's go back here, all right, and let's look at a 15-day stake. On a 15-day stake, if you was to stake $10,000, you're looking at earning $1,650 for the 15 days. If you elected to get paid in the SCF coin, you're looking at 36 coins. And we said that the coin is $60 right now times 36. So that's about $2,160. Okay. So you would earn actually more at this current price, right? At this current price, if you elected to get paid in the coin. And then basically what you would do is you would, liquidate these coins back to their stable coin and then back to USDT and then send it to your bank account, send it to your debit card, or pull the money out of the ATM machine. Okay, it's a real simple process. All right, and then let's look at 30 days, right? On 30 days, you're looking at $3,600 on that $10,000 stake in FUSD, the stable coin, or you're looking at 84 SCF coins, right? So now let's just say, this coin stayed at $60 for the next 30 days. So 84 times $60 equals $5,040, okay? So you know, you would have to figure out which way you wanted to get paid, right? And currently, because the SCF coin is where it is price-wise, you're actually getting paid more if you elect to stake and be paid in the SCF coin. So, you know, this is why this is one of the things. The reason why I wanted to show you the GitHub was because, you know, a lot of times you look at different platforms and they say they're going to pay you this, they're going to pay you that, and you're like, okay, how are you making the money? You know, like what's the liquidity behind your project, right? So if one person that's coming in is paying the person that's been in for a longer time, you know, that's the classic example of a Ponzi scheme. But if you have liquidity like this, 1.35 billion in liquidity, and you have over close to 700,000 holders that are a part of this liquidity, you know, you can see, because this is an open source project, you can see all of the numbers. And this is what, you know, as investors, crypto investors, this is what we look for. We look for, hey, I want to see the numbers. I don't need you to tell me. I want to see it. That's the whole point of an open source blockchain, is you can see everything. You can see each of your transactions. You can see all of your stakes. You can go to the hash IDs right in your app. You can see everything. All right. So what do you need to do to get started? It's really simple, right? If you want to get started, now you don't have to start obviously staking at 10,000. You can start a minimum of $200 will make your wallet active. You can join our Project 10K challenge. We'll show you how to get to a six-figure income in the next 4 to 6 months. If you're really a go-getter, we'll share with you our advanced strategy to get you to $40,000 to $50,000 per month. Okay, all that information is in the description of this video. But here's the simple steps to get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the referral link of the person that invited you here, right? So my referral link is in the description of this video. If one of my team members sent you here to watch this video, go to their referral link. That referral link is going to allow you to download the wallet. All right, we have our own wallet, and this is how we do business, right? So you're going to download that wallet. If you're in the United States, you need a VPN, right? You need a VPN, and you need to set that VPN somewhere other than the United States. So set it to Canada, Japan, wherever, just not the US. Once you do that, you can download the wallet. You're going to be tied to the person that referred you, so you're going to be in their team. Step number 2 is you want to prepare your USDT. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're not familiar with crypto and you don't understand that, you say you go to a Cash App, you go to your crypto exchange, wherever you go, and you buy some crypto, right? Then you're going to send that to your wallet that you just downloaded. Okay, you're going to send it to your wallet. You want it to be converted into USDT. Send it to your wallet. The next thing you're going to do, let's just say, for example, you're going to use USDT BEP20, right? That's on the Binance chain. So you need some BNB as well as your USDT, right? If you're going to use Tron, the Tron network, USDT TRC20, then you need some Tron. So you need USDT and Tron for your gas fees, right? So you're going to send that to your wallet that you just downloaded. Step number 4 is you're going to do a quick pledge, right? You go in there, boom, 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 3 taps, you quick pledge, and then you are staking. You are staking. That's really the simplicity of it. We have step-by-step videos, step-by-step written instructions. Very simple, easy to do. Once you're staked, you're good to go. Like I said, if you want to join the challenge, I recommend that, because we have daily webinars. We have a WhatsApp group to support you if you have questions, yada. We can help you with all those types of things, okay? So that's really it for this video. Just wanted to share with you all the validity of this project. And you can see the URL link here for the GitHub. It's github.com/SCF chain /SCF-core. And I'll just leave that right there for a second. You can take a snapshot of it or jot that down if you want to go there for yourself and take a look, right? This is the place where all open source projects come to show their code to the world and for other developers to be able to build upon their code, their open source code. Okay. All right. I'll see you all in the next videos. Welcome aboard for all the new folks. And we look forward to helping you out. Take care.